So we're at a wee restaurant here down city centre. Got one canopy here, running on a wee inline fan. It's broke. This here hood here is running on a separate fan. The fan's all good. We're going to clean that and get it back up to scratch. We'll replace this here unit. Turn it around, you can have a wee look up. That fan there is absolutely dead. We're going to get it stripped out, replaced, and then replace the ductwork up. This here one's the fan that's packed in. Going to strip all this out, all the way up there. Get it all replaced. That's our new wee fan there. Fucking pigeon scared the fuck out of me. And then this here's a fan that's dead on. It's grand. We're not getting all the way up that razor. That's the only issue.